How to set up a free gift for users with the first purchase. This tutorial is about set up a free gift for users with the first purchase, which is a great idea, especially for the new e-commerce businesses that want to grab the attention of their potential customers and encourage them to buy from their online stores. WooCommerce Product Gift plugin can help you to set up a free gift for users with the first purchase in a few minutes. To better understand how to use our plugin for creating a new rule, let's review an example. Add new rule and set the rule method. The purpose of this example is to let the users with the first purchase choose 3 products from music and accessories categories as a free gift. To set up this free gift, at first, you need to open Rule page by clicking on Rules L Settings tab in the WordPress dashboard. Then, you are able to click on Add Rule button to see the new gift form. At the very beginning of this form, you have to choose a suitable method for offering gifts. To set up a free gift for users with first purchase, it's better to choose Simple Adjustment from the combo box. Then you have to type a rule name in the related field and add a description if you want. Set the quantities and settings. The next step is to define the number of gifts under the Get field. According to our purpose, which is offering 3 free gifts to the users with the first purchase, we typed 3 in the Get field, as you can see. We recommend you to mark Same Gift, but keep Auto Add Gift to Cart option unmarked, because we want to let users to pick their free gifts from a list of products on their own. Set the free gift. Now it's time to specify the products that you want to offer to the users with the first purchase as a free gift. We have provided a lot of flexible options to enable you offer exactly what you want to your customers. You can add some specific products under the Include Product field or some specific product categories, tags, and taxonomies to be offered as a free gift on your online store. It is also possible to exclude some products or categories from the list of free gifts as well. In this example, as we mentioned before, we aimed to offer all products in the music category and accessories category to the users with the first purchase. To do this, we performed the following actions. Type M in the Include Categories, Tags, Taxonomies field. Choose Music from the displayed list. Type A, choose Accessories. From the list, we have successfully set the products to be offered as a free gift, but we need to specify the targeted users in the Condition section. Set Condition. To set up a free gift for users with the first purchase, you can add one of these conditions to your rule. The result of activating the rule by both conditions is the same. Option 1. Add a condition to let the users with 0 spent total use the free gift. Press Add Condition button. Choose Spent Total from the first box. Select All Time and At Least for the second and third boxes, respectively. Type 0 in the last box. Option 2. Set a condition to let the users with 0 order count use the free gift. Press Add Condition button. Choose Order Count from the first box. Select All Time and At Least for the second and third boxes respectively. Type 0 in the last box. There are no difference which options you have added to your rule. At the end, by clicking on Save Changes, the free gift will be activated, and it will be displayed only for the users with the first purchase. As you can see, when a new user purchases something from your online store for the first time, a new box will be shown under his/her cart to let him/her choose 3 free gifts from the products of the displayed list.
Yeah.